Hello everyone, in this video we'll show you how to set auto start eco mode on the Nature's generator Lithium 6000. At first, let's identify the main components, the load center that receives the power from the grid, the automatic transfer switch, the power inlet box, the circuits that are backed up by the automatic transfer switch, the outlet that is not backed up by the automatic transfer switch. Step 1. Connect the power cord to the AC input port on the back. Step 2. Connect the cord to the outlet that is not on the ATS backup. Step 3. Now press and hold the AC on and off button for 10 seconds. You will hear a beep. LED starts flashing, the eco mode is on. Finally, connect the AC output cable from your Lithium 6000 to your power inlet box. When the grid is available, the grid powers the circuits and charges the Lithium 6000. Lithium 6000 stays power off to conserve energy. Now, let's simulate the grid is lost. Lithium 6000 will automatically turn on the power and provide backup power to the circuits. Now, let's turn back on the grid. ATS switches back to the grid. Lithium 6000 turns off the power and accepts the charge to be ready for the next power outage. And that's it. Your Lithium 6000 is now optimized to save energy and run smarter automatically.